Okay, so we got a 2008 Ford F-250 6.4 power stroke. Fuel gauge isn't working, so first thing we did was drop the tank, check the sending unit, pull the plug off it, get your ohm reading. If your ohms are, if you're reading 10 ohms, means you got a full tank. If you read about 179 to 180 ohms, that means you're empty. So we got an ohm reading. There should be an ohm reading unless you're completely empty, or unless the sending unit itself just isn't working. So if you think you got some fuel in there, check it. Check those ohms, see what you're reading. Follow those wires from the plug all the way up your frame rail there. Follow it all the way to the front to the driver's side shock tower. When you get up here, you gotta move your inner fender. Just a few little bolts. Mine are up here. I believe they're 8mm. You got one right here, one right here. So you got two up here, one up there, one down there. Should have one right there. So after you follow the wires all the way up, you'll come up to this black plug. Black plug in the back. So pull that apart, check your ohms, find the two wires, which is a light green with a dark stripe, and then a yellow wire with a red stripe. Ohm it from here, unplug the plug, ohm it from this side. If you still have your ohms, plug it back in, check it on the other side. As you can see, I stripped a little bit of the wires down that we'll be taping back up. Still getting the same ohm readings. Well, then you gotta go up to the cluster. Start taking the cluster out. What you gotta do is, there'll be a little piece right here, a little plastic that just pulls right out. I got it over here. Yep. This piece on a steering column. You just pop it straight out. And after that, you got the bezel that goes over the instrument cluster. You got two bolts at top, two down below. So you got one here, and then two up here. And after you get all those bolts out, you gotta pop your radio bezel out a little bit, shimmy it, drop your steering column all the way down, put your key in, put your foot on the brake, drop the drive shaft all the way down to first gear, and it'll pop out. After that, you'll have two bolts, two 7mm, one down there, one down over there. Take them out, and then your cluster's free. And you got the little connector up here, looks like so. You just gotta push this top piece down a little bit, that way you can slide it all the way down, and you can pull it out. You can test your ohms on this. In order to get this out the way, you just gotta shimmy a little bit hard with one hand. But pull it down, lift it up, make it like this. Like I said, it's hard with one hand. And you can just prop it up and out. Just move that out the way for now. And then you go and you ohm out those two same wires. This yellow with the red stripe, and in here, this green right here. There we go. Camera focus. There's the green wire, the dark green stripe on top. You ohm that out. If you're still getting the ohms, it means your cluster's bad and you need to get a new cluster. But if you are not getting the ohms, if your ohms significantly drop, or you're just reading OL on your multimeter, it means you got a short somewhere. Then you got to go through all the wiring from here to the end to the other side of the firewall. But all the bolts on the inside here are all 7mm. The ones to take out this bolt and this bolt, you'll need an extension on your ratchet. But yeah, so we're about to test that. Test the plug, see if we still got the ohms. If not, then we gotta get a new cluster. Thanks for watching.